it's me again. And, I just want to say, hi. Things are good. Hi, how you doing?
Yo, man, I'm just Stridex, so leave me alone.
Gosh, what an attitude. What an attitude.
You know, you're weird, okay?
Oh, you want a piece of me? Oh, you want a piece of me? Okay. Oh, how do you like that? Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh.
I hate you.
I know. Really? Let's look at the next guy. Hi, how are you?
Yo, man, I'm just Claracil, so, you know, just cut it out and go away.
He's got an attitude, too. Attitude. I don't like attitude. I get really angry.
What's your problem?
My problem is you!
Okay.
Huh. Interesting.
I know.
What? Okay. Okay, that's fine, yeah. Huh. So, see ya!
See ya.
Let's look at the next guy. Hi, Sal. How was your day?
Do I know you?
Does he know me? Does he? I don't think he does. No. He doesn't know me. No. No, you don't know me!
Then why are you talking to me?